Let's make rosé tteokbokki. So, galing frozen tong aking tteokbokki. Kaya naman, kailangan meron kang mainit na water and then kailangan mo sila munang ibabad para maging chewy din tong tteokbokki. Ayan, babad lang muna natin sila with the hot water para maging chewy ulit sila. So, gawin na natin yung sauce. We need gochujang. 1 tablespoon lang. Tara. Gochugaru. 1 tablespoon also. Soy sauce. Tapos sugar. Sesame oil. So, it looks something like this. Maglalagay ako ng all-purpose cream. So, eto maliit na siya. Saktong-sakto na siya. So, yung rosé tteokbokki kasi, mas creamier siya. Wow! Tapos, maglalagay din ako ng water. And then, tikman nyo lang kung okay na yung lasa sa inyo. Nice. Perfect. So, start na tayo magluto. Lagyan ko lang oil. Konting oil. Meron na akong prepare dito. Onion, garlic, onion leeks, fish cake. Let's start by sauteing onion and garlic. White onion pala yung gamit ko, guys. And then yung magtitira ako for my garnishing later. Wow. And then we can add the fish cake. Wow. Lagay na natin yung tteokbokki natin. We can add na the sauce. Sobrang bilis lang neto. Wow! I'm excited. Wow. And then for the final step, mozzarella! And then we can add na the mozzarella. Ooh, more. Look at that. Wow. Green onions ulit. Oh, perfect. Come on, oy. And then, tatakpan ko lang siya. I-prepare ko siya with vegetable dumpling, guys. Mag-fry ako. Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks good. I think here is the best. This is our rosé tteokbokki.